Bob,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
It's very nice to meet you, Kate.
So we're going to talk a little bit about a documentary that you were actually in. You worked with Daily Pike, and it's actually all about you and your jazz photography.
It is. Isn't that amazing?
So tell me how you met Daily and how you guys got started on this project.
Well, that was an interesting story. I go to nightclubs, I go to concerts, I'm always working and archiving events. And I was in a club called Charlie O's, which no longer exists, in the San Fernando Valley. And I'm photographing some great jazz artists. And this gentleman walks up to me and says, "Hi, I'm Daily Pike. And you're Bob Bailey, aren't you?" And I went, "So I am." He says, "Well, I love your work," and went on to say some very nice things about me. And you gotta like somebody like that, you know. You just don't brush them off, you know. Anyhow, Daly said, "Bob, has anybody ever done a documentary about your work?" And I said, "To be honest with you, Daly, nobody has asked me." He says, "Well, I'm asking." It started with filming me. It was a 3-camera of me talking about my life, my work, and etc. And then I gave him a list of 15 or 20 people I thought would be wonderful people to have in this documentary to comment on my work and me, if that's what he wanted to know. And almost all of them agreed. And it's a wonderful dichotomy of people in the documentary. There are museum curators, they're gallery owners, they are wonderful musical artists, some of them quite well known, and I was very pleased and very proud to have all these people talking about me. As a matter of fact, we had a little screening at my house after we had finished the initial film, and we invited almost all the people that were in it. And at the very end, after seeing the film, I had not seen these interviews. I got up and I said, "Well, I guess none of you people have to come to my memorial now."